I am what you would consider nature. For my nature is simple. I come to you with all due respect, just to talk about a few things, if that's okay. And the first thing that I want to really talk about, I did a video on this a couple years ago, and I spoke about gratitude and the necessities, why we have to and we need to progress our day-to-day life with gratitude. And gratitude defined is something as small as coming out in the world, no matter where you live, something as small as allowing yourself to be grateful for trees, right? The things we take for granted, the sounds that we take for granted. Bees. Did you know that if we didn't live with bees, we would die? That's why gratitude is so important. Not for the physicalities of the things that you possessed, but more so for the smaller things that we shun ourselves away from in our beautiful homes, our big fancy cars, right? Or you may not even have that. You may have the latest kicks that you spent all these hours to work so hard on to finally get in your possession and realize you get a scuff on them and your gratitude is out the window just like that. But the sun has never fallen out of the sky. The sun has risen every day. Are you grateful? The moon shines bright every night, no matter what time zone you're in. Are you grateful? These trees, they never, ever disappoint us. Are you grateful? I'm grateful. It is very rewarding to be able to be around the astoundment of Allah's creation. Just be grateful. Simply Ty signing out saying,